I just calculated that this person over here has generated $243,000 from this. Now, this person has hardly done any work. This is a newly released tool that this person is using to literally do and automate all of this in just a few clicks. And they've built a massive business out of this. As you can see over here, they're busy making NFTs for people and selling packages to them from $1,400 and up. Some people sell them for cheaper, but you'll see most people actually buy off this gig because usually when the price is more, people think, okay, good quality work, I'm going to invest and spend the money. This tool over here was released just 3 days ago, and it will allow you to generate and automate NFTs and design them at the click of a button. Within 2 to 3 minutes, it automatically launches it on the OpenSea marketplace for you, where people can bid and buy and sell your NFTs. And it will design you really high quality NFTs like some of these over here, all with zero coding, zero trading and investing knowledge, and zero experience at all. This is a 100% cloud-based tool that you can go and use to sell your NFTs on all sorts of freelance marketplaces. You can also use ads if you want to, just like this person has done over here, which literally takes them 2 minutes, and they've generated a $243,000 business from this. Now, in today's video, I really want to load it up with as much as value as possible. I'm also going to announce something super exciting at the end of this video that I've just launched, and also I'm going to give you a free resource and PDF at the end of this video related to this topic to really help you boost you with this. So make sure to watch until the end and don't miss any crucial step with this. Also, my name is Jay, your no BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on various ways that I use to make money online. If you want to follow that journey, make sure to subscribe down below with the red notification bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload a value-packed and epic video just like today's one. But without further ado, we're not going to waste any time and let's get straight into this. On top of all of this, I'm also going to show you guys a couple of new platforms where you can go and apply as a freelancer to go and execute your work and make some income online. So for example, TopTal.com is a very new website, especially compared to something like Fiverr, which has a lot of competition. So the idea of this is that you obviously want a platform where you can get a lot of audience and a lot of traffic, but at the same time, there's not much competition for what you're doing. Now, even starting from the beginning, designing NFTs with this tool over here and selling the service, right now there is still zero competition for this. Remember, not even 0.1% of the world is involved with NFTs. There's over 7 billion people in the world, so there is a huge market cap for this kind of service, especially with the next 2, 3, and 5, even 10, 20 years coming. This is going to become a big part of the future, which is digital art that sells for hundreds of thousands of dollars. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to come over to this website over here called hostinga.com/tutorials/best freelancer websites, and they will give you a list of 15 different freelancer websites that you can go and do this. Now, obviously, the more the merrier. So if you're posting on Fiverr, Upworks, Freelancer, FlexJobs, all of these websites over here, you are technically 15 times increasing your chance of a sale, getting 15 times more the traffic, 15 times more the exposure, and hopefully 15 times more the revenue, as now you're posting on a whole bunch of platforms. So over here, you want to come over to all of these websites. For example, you want to come over to toptal.com, click on apply as a freelancer on the top right so that you can go and become a freelancer. You can go and fill in this information over here or just sign in directly with your LinkedIn account, apply to join TopTal, and you'll be able to post your gigs over there. You can come over to upworks.com, sign up, go and post your freelance work. You can go and do the same on fiverr.com. You just click on become a seller, go and set up your account, and you'll be able to go and get your gigs. Now, I'm also going to explain to you later how you can actually go and rank your gigs further up on the first page of Google and explain a little bit about the Fiverr and all these freelance algorithms, how these people are reaching the top page. And it's actually very simple. All they're really doing is, and the best way to grow on Fiverr is to go and get a whole bunch of external traffic to your gigs. For example, TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, Facebook, YouTube normal videos, or even Facebook and Google ads, to go and get people to rank your gigs. And the whole idea is you want to go and get people to go and leave reviews, good comments down below on your gig, because that's what Fiverr likes. If Fiverr sees a lot of traffic is coming to this gig, a lot of people are leaving reviews, likes, and good, positive, and 5 stars, then Fiverr is going to automatically rank your gig up to the top page. And once you hit the top page on Fiverr over here, this will become your full-time thing, because you're going to be getting so many clicks, so many messages, so many sales, you'll probably end up replacing your entire career with this type of job. Once you've created an account on all of these platforms over here, I'm going to take you through the process on how to create your NFT and how to go and post your gigs. So that's going to lead us to a second platform over here called GetProfitNFT.com. This is a website you can go and visit straight to the link. I don't get any affiliate commissions or any bonuses talking about this. I'm just talking about this freely on my channel because I find this a very valuable tool that I think you can benefit from. So over here, you can have a look at what some of this tool has to offer. So firstly, I'm just going to go through it, show you how to use it, and then execute and make our NFTs to go and sell on these freelance platforms over here. So this tool, like I said, you don't need any coding knowledge. You don't need to be coding on the blockchain. You don't need to invest or trade NFTs or cryptocurrencies, and you don't need any experience to do this. You can create unlimited NFTs from scratch with just a few clicks. This is a 100% cloud-based program, meaning no coding required. You can log in anytime and go and create your NFTs. You don't need to buy, invest, or trade any crypto on this tool. It's an easy drag and drop builder that is built in on your website, and you get over 30 plus done for you templates to go and use for your NFTs. You also get a commercial license included with your NFTs, which means you can go and sell them to local businesses and online clients for thousands of dollars, just like these people over here. And specifically, this person has made 6 figures doing this. Every NFT that you create is also verified on the blockchain, meaning if people take screenshots or want to go and copy your NFTs, they can't do that, and it has no value. Only your NFTs have original value because your NFTs are verified on the blockchain and only verified in your name. So that is now ready for you to go and sell to thousands of dollars on any platform. This tool also includes step-by-step training on the inside, which will give you free tips and exclusive access on how to actually go and create your NFTs. There's no monthly fees for this tool. It's a once-off fee that you use forever. The price of this tool is only $17. Like, again, I'm telling you, again, I will say so, I don't get any commissions from this. I've purchased this tool myself and I'm using it myself over here. So it's really simple steps. You're going to log into your account that looks like this. Secondly, you're going to go and deploy your DFY templates on the drag and drop tool and editor to go and create your NFTs. And thirdly, you can go and publish your NFT with one click straight to the world's biggest NFT marketplaces and go and sell for cryptocurrencies. So the best part about this, not only are you making money, you're making money in cryptocurrencies, which appreciate, we know, over 30 to 50% per year these days. I mean, Bitcoin, well over 70,000% over 10 years. So long-term investment, your money is also making money on itself. Over here is a demo of this tool over here, and this is what it looks like. You can add all sorts of shapes, filters, drawings, text, and basic DFY templates already made for you. So for example, this demo over here is an NFT of different planets, the planets NFT. So you can go and add all sorts of cloud templates with already transparent backgrounds, animals, beaches, landmarks, doodles, transportations, stars, and bubble templates over here as well. So it really has everything for you to go and create the perfect NFT. When you're ready, you just go and click save, and it will be launched to the OpenSea marketplace, which you can go and sell on Fiverr. It will also download to your PC, which you can then go and sell on all of these marketplaces over here, LinkedIn, Behance, 99, all of these marketplaces over here. Again, this website is called hostinger.com/tutorials, best freelancer websites. So then what we can go and do is, when we're ready and we've designed a few NFTs and ready to go and sell, we can come over to fiverr.com. We want to go and click on become a seller over here. It will take you to this page. You just want to go and click on become a seller again. Go and sign in with your account. So I'm quickly going to do that. Click on become a seller. Now that it's logged you into your account, you want to go and create your seller profile. Just learn more about what makes people successful on Fiverr. I recommend watch all of these videos over here. If you want to go and watch this video, I recommend you want to learn as much as possible. So we're going to go and click on continue over here. What makes a successful Fiverr profile? So you actually want to go and take time in creating your profile so it's exactly as you want to be. You really want to make it look like a professional profile. I recommend go and take a nice picture of yourself, put it as your profile, make a nice background, and you want to add credibility by linking out to your other relevant work. You want to accurately describe your professional skills to get you help and to get you more work, and you want to put a face to your name. So make sure that you upload a profile picture, as that just builds trust with your community. So we're going We're going to go and click on continue. And these are some of the things you don't want to do. You don't want to provide any misleading or inaccurate information. You don't want to open up duplicate accounts. You can always just create more gigs. You want to click on continue, and over here you go and fill out your profile. So you can fill out your full name. You can enter your profile picture over here, which I recommend just go and take a nice professional selfie, usually shoulders and head up, so that people can see your face and who you are. For your description, this is the best part. You can go and get a lot of influence. Let me just come back to Fiverr from other gigs over here in your niche. Let me just come back to NFT. We can, for example, go and copy this gig over here, go and paste it into our own personal information. But what I recommend is just go and change it around into your own words. So for example, NFT Marketplace is developing very fast. Just maybe recorrect the spelling, custom art. And over here where it says you can just put I am Jay, for example, a professional designer with, you could say, tons of experience in the NFT design business. You can say I offer, what kind of NFTs you offer. So we can just go and edit this a little bit and say if you want to offer 3 NFTs or 5 NFTs or a total of 10 NFT packs, which you can obviously offer in various different packs over here. So if I come over to this gig, you've got basic, standard, and premium. So here he offers 1 base art and 100 NFTs, 1K NFTs, and 10K NFTs over here. So we can go and mention 3, 5, and maybe 10 NFTs, which is good to start with. We can then click continue over here. Your occupation is going to be graphics and design because that falls under the NFT niche. You want to go and click on other over here and maybe cartoons and comics. For our skills, we can go and type our skills. So for example, we can go expert, type your skill NFT art, click on add. For our education, it doesn't really matter about this. So for example, if you've got a high school or a degree or whatever it it doesn't really matter. Just go and enter your school and your matric certificate or whatever grade you're in. You want to go and connect all your socials over here so that your clients on Fiverr and all these freelancer marketplaces can go and contact you and talk to you about what they specifically want with the NFT, as your whole goal with this is obviously to go and please your audience and give good customer service. So once you've connected all your social media presences such as Facebook, Twitter, some of these over here, click on continue. You want to go and verify your phone number, click on continue and create your first gig. So over here, it will give you an overview of your entire profile. So here you can see it's telling me I'm 30% done. You want to go and do the following: correct anything if you haven't done, your social networks, your phone number, your certifications, any personal website that you have. You can use your Instagram page or your social media. Go and click on edit profile and just go and correct all those errors. Once you're ready, you can go and create your first gig. And what I suggest is just go and get a whole bunch of gigs over here. You can just go right click, open a new tab. I'm just going to open up maybe 4 of these in a new tab. You want to go and have a look at their pictures, have a look at about their gig over here, have a look at their about description. So the easiest part is the description. The pictures are also easy. So what you can go and do is to go and create yourself a nice profile picture for your gig is to come over to this tool over here. Design a few pre-made NFTs. Just take screenshots. You can use a tool like Paint or Photoshop to merge them together in like one poster that looks like this. Over here, you can see they've merged like 4 NFTs into one photo. Same with this gig over here. So you want to go and do that just so you go and get a nice profile picture that looks attractive for your gig. And for your description, you can just go and use any one of these over here. Just go and put all of it in your own words and obviously change the text over here to what you offer. And you can go and create your different basic, standard, and premium packages. Now, when people come over to your gig and, for example, want to buy your service, they will come over here and click on continue, and you will get paid directly to your Fiverr account, which then Fiverr EFTs all your profits and returns and your revenue to your direct bank accounts. Over here, you can see that will continue to check out, pay via PayPal, Visa, Discovery, all of these platforms over here, and that is how you are going to get paid on Fiverr.com. I'm also going to go and help you out by giving you a free article over here that will help you go and understand exactly what NFT is, what non-fungible tokens are, how the whole NFT e-commerce and industry works, how people bid on them. So this is a very interesting article that I recommend you go and read to go and understand more about NFTs. On top of all of this, I'm also going to go and give you a free demo video on how to go and use your NFT design tool over here. So it will go through your entire dashboard, how to put images together, how to go and download them, and how to go and launch them and make money with your NFTs. So these are the 2 free resources I promised in the beginning of today's video, but I'll I also quickly wanted to announce something epic that I've just created. So over here, I just recently launched my Telegram, Forex, and Dow Jones signal group. So this is something that I really wanted to avoid. I've been trading for quite some time now, close to about a year, and I've probably had close to 1,000 requests of people asking me if I've got any groups where people can trade with me, and I've just recently launched that, and this morning I posted my first signal and we hit big profits on that, about $1,400 profit. So over here, I recommend the best broker on how to get zero spread and really maximize your commissions with trading. So this group will really help you out in learning more about Forex as a whole, investing in the stock markets, Forex markets, and indexes and indices over here. So this is the first link in the description. It's a free group. There's no paid subscription or anything like that. It's completely for free. I don't sell any trading courses. All my courses are on YouTube for free, as I really want to avoid that reputation of selling courses with Forex and rather make money with Forex itself. So this is the first link in the description. Make sure to go and join this, and I'll see you over there. And what I'm also going to do is on the screen over here, I'm going to leave my NFTs 2022 playlist, which is an entire playlist and course I'm busy building on YouTube that will help you out in learning more about NFTs, since that is a whole new niche starting up on YouTube. So make sure to go and click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.